Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a full restaurant experience in English.
Hey everyone, great to have you here. Get ready to shadow along with me,
I'll say a sentence first.
and I'll repeat it slowly so you can follow.
Let's start right from the moment we arrive at the restaurant.
Yeah, from walking in to ordering to paying the bill, everything.
We'd like a table for two, please.
We'd like a table for two, please.
Do you have a table available right now?
Do you have a table available right now?
Could we sit near the window?
Could we sit near the window?
A quiet corner would be perfect.
A quiet corner would be perfect.
Thank you. This table looks great.
Thank you. This table looks great.
Could we see the menu, please?
Could we see the menu, please?
Take your time, no rush.
Take your time, no rush.
The atmosphere here feels really nice.
The atmosphere here feels really nice.
I love how warm and cozy the restaurant feels.
I love how warm and cozy the restaurant feels.
Could I have a glass of water, please?
Could I have a glass of water, please?
Do you have fresh juice?
Do you have fresh juice?
I'll take an orange juice.
I'll take an orange juice.
Could you bring the drinks first?
Could you bring the drinks first?
I would love a cup of hot tea.
I would love a cup of hot tea.
Do you serve iced coffee?
Do you serve iced coffee?
Can you make it without sugar?
Can you make it without sugar?
Thank you. That'll be all for now.
Thank you. That'll be all for now.
Everything on this menu looks delicious.
Everything on this menu looks delicious.
What do you recommend here?
What do you recommend here?
I'd like to try something light.
I'd like to try something light.
Is this dish vegetarian?
Is this dish vegetarian?
Could you make this without nuts?
Could you make this without nuts?
I'll start with the tomato soup.
I'll start with the tomato soup.
I'd like the grilled salmon as my main course.
I'd like the grilled salmon as my main course.
Could you make it a little less salty?
Could you make it a little less salty?
Can I have the pasta with extra vegetables?
Can I have the pasta with extra vegetables?
That's it for now. Thank you.
That's it for now. Thank you.
This place smells amazing already.
This place smells amazing already.
I love exploring new restaurants.
I love exploring new restaurants.
I'm really looking forward to this meal.
I'm really looking forward to this meal.
The music here is so relaxing.
The music here is so relaxing.
It feels like the perfect place for dinner.
It feels like the perfect place for dinner.
Do you want to come back here again?
Do you want to come back here again?
I think this might become our new favorite spot.
I think this might become our new favorite spot.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Wow, this looks amazing.
The presentation is beautiful.
The presentation is beautiful.
Everything smells so good.
Everything smells so good.
This tastes even better than it looks.
This tastes even better than it looks.
The seasoning is perfect.
The seasoning is perfect.
Could we get some extra napkins?
Could we get some extra napkins?
Excuse me, could you bring some more water?
Excuse me, could you bring some more water?
Everything is delicious, thank you.
Everything is delicious, thank you.
Could I have a little more sauce on the side?
Could I have a little more sauce on the side?
Can I get a spoon instead of a fork?
Can I get a spoon instead of a fork?
Could you warm this up a little?
Could you warm this up a little?
Sorry, I think this is not what I ordered.
Sorry, I think this is not what I ordered.
Could you check my order, please?
Could you check my order, please?
I'm completely full.
I'm completely full.
That was such a satisfying meal.
That was such a satisfying meal.
I really enjoyed everything.
I really enjoyed everything.
Do you want to order dessert?
Do you want to order dessert?
I think I'll skip dessert this time.
I think I'll skip dessert this time.
Could we take the leftovers home?
Could we take the leftovers home?
Could we have the bill, please?
Could we have the bill, please?
Do you accept digital payments?
Do you accept digital payments?
Can we pay by card?
Can we pay by card?
Could you split the bill?
Could you split the bill?
Everything looks correct. Thank you.
Everything looks correct. Thank you.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Thank you for the lovely service.
Thank you for the lovely service.
Have a wonderful evening.
Have a wonderful evening.
Let's come back soon.
Let's come back soon.
That was a perfect meal.
That was a perfect meal.